America's infrastructure used to be the envy of the world. We dreamed big, and then we turned those dreams into reality. We built railways across the country, interstate highways that connected our economy, millions of miles of power lines that lifted nearly all of America into the electric age, and housing for tens of millions of Americans striving to enter the middle class. In fact, some of the most iconic U.S. landmarks, like the Empire State Building, took just over 1 year to build. Over the last half-century, we've lost the capacity and the will to build. Costs have skyrocketed. We build more slowly, and infrastructure projects routinely fail to deliver the benefits promised. Sometimes important projects get so caught in red tape and dysfunction, they're never built at all. Just look at one transmission line in the U.S. In the same time it took us to develop 3.3 gigawatts of long-distance transmission capacity, China developed 260 gigawatts. Even more, that single transmission line took 8 years to undergo environmental review, 16 years to start construction, and isn't projected to be done for many more years after that. And between 2016 and 2018, China built a 2,000-mile transmission line with a capacity of 12 gigawatts, more large-scale, interregional transmission than the entire North American continent developed over the 10-year period starting in 2014. When we look at transportation, our transit system has been built slowly and at 2 to 6 times the cost of other countries. With housing, we're facing a nationwide affordability crisis driven by a shortage of 4 million homes. And fierce competition for the limited number of homes on the market is causing rents and home prices to soar. We need to reform land use, zoning, and permitting processes, and create policies at all levels of government to get infrastructure built faster, better, and at lower cost. That's what Arnold Ventures is doing, building evidence about what works and doesn't, turning effective solutions into policy, and getting that policy enacted so that we can build the infrastructure that will make housing more affordable, energy abundant and reliable, and transportation systems the envy of the world again.